We know you're excited about Shapeoko 5 Pro, so are we. We're going to start detailing different aspects of the machine so you know what you're getting, or you know what you're thinking about getting if you're going to jump in with the Shapeoko 5 Pro, be that an upgrade or your first opportunity to join us. This is 100% of a machine. There are no upgrades necessary. This machine is as ready on day one for you and your creativity as it will be on day 1000. We're going to start with the Z-axis, and the Z-axis is an upgrade over previous generations of Shapeokos. Carbide 3D has a history of taking what was an upgrade on a previous machine and making that stock equipment. This HDZ is based on the design from our HDM. This is the strongest, most rigid Z-axis in the marketplace.
The stock HDZ is equipped with 3 different mounting positions for the spindle carrier. When operating with a Carbide compact router, you're most likely to use the bottom mounting position. With just 4 bolts, you're able to move that spindle carrier to accommodate our air-cooled VFD or variable frequency drive, which offers a tremendous upgrade in performance. No matter the material you plan to cut, this Z-axis has the capability and flexibility to meet any of your needs.
Installation of your Z-axis is just as quick and easy. The gantry comes completely pre-assembled. The receiver plate has 2 locator pins on it for your completely pre-assembled Z-axis. Push the Z-axis onto those locator pins, install 4 bolts, and you're done. The stock spindle carrier also comes equipped with our new dovetail attachment. We have a variety of accessories that are upcoming to expand your Shapeoko universe, and you're already set to enjoy those accessories and that added benefit. In the center of the Z-axis, you'll find a 1610 ball screw. Additionally, the HG15 linear rails provide maximum rigidity, strength, and power on the Z-axis. The HDZ Z-axis, ready for anything you want to throw at it. We have a lot more to come about Shapeoko 5 Pro. Hope you're as excited as we are about this new machine.